Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm drawing another huge A2 size custom drawing, this time for Helmer Nunez. I hope I spelled your name right, bro. Helmer was inspired by this Vegeta drawing of mine, which was also a custom drawing which I did for AJ a few months ago. Helmer wanted also a Vegeta split drawing with his three best forms, which are Blue Evolution, Margin and Ultra Ego. And to not just copy my old drawing, we decided to move the paper in portrait mode and draw Vegeta full body and with a different pose. On an A2 size paper this is, well, a lot of work. As you saw, before I started drawing Vegeta more detailed, I drew a rough sketch of the entire body. This gives you an easier time to keep the proportions in check, and you will also do way less mistakes, which eventually saves time and effort. I'm drawing Vegeta from the front with an epic prince-like pose, so all three forms are perfectly visible. It was really hard for me to keep the proportions right when I drew a large character on a paper sheet this size. This is actually the first time I'm drawing a character this big. I really had to use a ruler sometimes to check if the shoulders, for example, are on the same level. But overall I think I managed that pretty good and the sketching went very well. I would love to upload more videos than just one video every 1 or 2 weeks, but huge drawings like that just take too much time, and there's also editing these videos. I'm not complaining, I'm very thankful for these huge orders. Actually, the next drawing is also an A2 size, so stay tuned for that too. If you're thinking, what the hell is a custom drawing, let me explain that real quick. That means I'm bringing your ideas on paper. You tell me what kind of a drawing you want, and I try to draw it with the best quality possible. If you want to be drawn as an anime character, or maybe your favorite anime scene in my drawing style, we can do that. I can also show your drawing on my YouTube channel, just like I'm showing this custom drawing today. If you are interested in something like this, message me on Instagram guys, link below. And of course I will upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel, so you can follow my steps very easy. On my second channel I upload all my videos with no cuts, no time lapse, just pure drawing in real time. So make sure to check that out too guys. Inking, I just love inking. It's so relaxing and I just enjoy giving my characters these thick lines. It makes the line art so different and so accurate. I love drawing detailed and most of the details I add on the second layer of ink. Of course inking like this takes a lot more time and patience, but as I said, I really enjoy it, and for me this is really relaxing. It's like meditating to me and I'm really looking forward to this each time. Usually I use the thinner pens with the 0.03 and 0.05mm sizes to be as accurate as possible. But as this drawing is huge, I'm using the 0.3mm size for the outlines and the 0.1mm for the details. To be able to just relax on the inking, I'm drawing the sketch as accurate as possible. That allows me to just redraw the perfect sketch and not to think about any adjustments or improvements. Just redraw the sketch with the pens and let some music or movie play in the background. What's your favorite part in drawing guys? Sketching, inking or coloring? Let me know in the comments below. So, inking done, and as you can see the paper is huge. The line art turned out amazing, and now we are going to color the whole thing with background. As always, I'm using alcohol markers from different brands. To cover big areas, when drawing big characters on large paper sizes, I'm using the pen like a brush and I try to avoid multiple layers. That would just take too much time. Usually I work with many layers so the colors are as even as possible. With the combination of these hard shades, the drawing look like they are digital. I love the color in that style. As Helmer was inspired by my previous Vegeta split drawing, I'm using almost the same colors. I'm really trying to beat the first drawing, and as it turned out amazing in my opinion, this will be not easy. But I really love how I colored the suit of the new one. The muscles look amazing with these shades. Also let me know in the comments which form of Vegeta is your favorite, guys. Mine is definitely Majin. And I get a lot of messages from you guys about new tutorials. I did a lot of tutorials for my channel which you can always check out, and I'm thinking of bringing some new tutorials with some new art style. I already draw these characters in my own style, but as I always try to improve, I will also try to improve on my own art style. I'm drawing a little manga at the moment, where I can really practice some new poses, face expressions, and overall I can just go crazy with my talent. I'm trying to draw that manga mostly from my head just because it's a good training for me. That way you can learn to use your imagination only and you can be really creative. But don't expect the manga anytime soon, guys. I'm working on that next to these huge commissions and YouTube videos, so the release can take a while. I'm planning to upload the first part here on my channel when I feel like I have enough pages to show you. So stay tuned for that, guys. And we are getting closer and closer to reach 400,000 subscribers, which is an amazing number. If you are new here or just did not subscribe, please do so and help me to grow my channel, guys. Reaching 400,000 subscribers would be a dream, so help me to reach it. I would really appreciate it. Alright, guys, adding the last few details to the drawing and then it's finally done. The final version of the custom drawing for Helmer Nunez with 3 forms of Vegeta on an A2 size paper in portrait mode, full colored. You can imagine how much time this took and how much work got into this. It would be great if you can smash the like button, guys, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this drawing. Let's reach 1000 likes with this video, that would be amazing. Big thanks to Helmer for the order and support, and big thanks to you guys for watching. If you're also interested in a custom drawing, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and for prints, check out my shop on Etsy. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.